A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Please put a like, leave a comment, and I could get straight into this. Alright, so I'm going to refresh on the brain on one story. I'm going to update on the story and one next story. Today, I just come and me chat. Alright, who vex, who cuss. Listen, I'm going to put up a thumbnail and tell me if you remember. Put it in a comment. That's my number for link me if you want to share a story. I want to like the video. Zane? Because we'll come back with an update with the story. Who remember this? Put up a thumbnail, I'm going to say.
Right? This is the person that was honest with me from the beginning. Like, I don't have a lot, but just know, like, my career will take off and we're going to be good. So he's never asked me for a dime.
Oh, never.
And asked. I have times when I know that, like I ask him every day, you eat today? You do? Oh, no, I'm good. His thing is like, he'll always say he's good. He's a very prideful person. Like, if music is not really doing what it's supposed to do right now, he'll go mix cement, go chop down this for this person. Like, he's always working. So it's kind of like things that I hear from different people, like, oh, Jamaican man, they cheat and da-da-da. So it's kind of like, because of that, I prejudge Jamaican men.
So I must remember. Anyway, she reached out to me and she made me know, say, they got married in December. Yeah? It was a wonderful wedding. So, she can give me some update, what transpired now and what's the status of the relationship and going forward. And also, the husband is going to be on the line. So, make way give you the update. Okay? I saw it starts, so we have to go on update with everything. All right? So, we could drive and listen. Yes. Hello?
Bless up.
What going on, Chief?
Yeah, no, my G.
Yeah, man. Wife here tell me, say, how she find the love of her life and it make she happy and all that. So, people must say, yo, you sure? Everybody will come from Jamaica. They might look people for you, so go foreign and rate and she come on the show and explain how generous he is and how loving and, for a young youth. I appreciate how you cheat her, but what go on? Everything good in her?
Good. Not the understatement, man. Everything great, man.
Everything great. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So you say you're tired enough now and ready for settle down. No games, nothing. This is it.
This is it.
Okay. Alright, that not sound bad. So wifey?
Yes?
Yeah, man. You start going with the whole thing now, you feel good about everything? Or the experience like?
It was a very good experience. I mean, we had a few little challenges leading up to us getting married because we were set on one date that was really special to my husband and we wanted to keep that date. We lost a few, people that were with us in the starting that we thought were friends. But, that ended up changing the whole dynamic of how everything with the wedding went down. We were supposed to get married at Firefly. And what ended up happening was that, a couple months before the wedding, I got an email from them saying that they can no longer accommodate the wedding there because they have structural damage, so they have to close for 2 years. So we ended up having no wedding venue, no direction, no nothing. But still worked out well.
Where's my boss?
Just go on. Stay tuned,
Okay. So, everybody did, want your family, them come down, wifey?
So, my mom wanted to come, but she ended up in a little bit of a legal mishap, so she wasn't allowed to leave Canada at all. So, she was there in spirit. She was very happy for the occasion. She was very happy for us. as a couple, and she really wanted to be there, but because of everything that happened with her, it was just not possible for her to be there. And I didn't want to, like, you know, burden anybody else with, like, because it was during Christmas time, tickets are high, so I didn't want to put that stress on anybody else, so I just went with the flow. And my family in Jamaica, not really on good terms, so just basically, you know, my family in Jamaica on his side and his friends, and it was good.
Where husband? What your first name, General?
Signum.
Yeah, man. So Signum, as a bigger man for you, because she must tell us something older than you. Could I be your father? Anyway. Yeah, I tell you this from a man-to-man perspective. I never married yet still, but I beg you, please, just hold it down with her, because my youth, a lot of women overseas want a Jamaican man, but they're afraid. If you go up on my channel, I don't know if you ever watch it, and see the whole of the story, them and the trauma. They're afraid.
Yeah. Even the first story with my wife, you know, went in the comment section. And
Lord God, no mention it. We share luck.
Some negative comments and
yeah.
don't know why them feel as if everyone I see them and just a look at opportunity if they go overseas. No, I travel long before I meet her. And if me did want to live in the States or anywhere overseas, it could have been done. I chose to live in Jamaica.
Right.
So it wasn't a situation where I got involved with her for any form of opportunity.
Yeah, man. Yeah, because you see, based on the comments, you see, those are like experiences based on the stories that I post. So people know and listen most of the stories, them, so them have an understanding. So that's why you see them kind of say, well, I wait till whatever, let's see how it work out. Trust me, them have a bad taste when it come on to us. Not just you, me, involved too. I'm a Jamaican. You understand? All away. Because the man, them,
So
when they
that experience, you know, them just enough, you know. And I really feel as if some people don't have anything positive to say, it would be best if them just observe and keep their mouth shut.
Right.
Because everyone is not the same. I'm sure that there are persons from their community and of their whole family line and family tree where they wouldn't want anyone to compare them to that person. So why you think it's right to compare me to every other failed project?
Okay. Well, you seem like you have a head on your body base and how she talk about you before me even talk to you. So I wish you the best and more everything work out. So, Orlando, wifey, question. You married him in Jamaica, so how long you normally them say take for him to reach? Because him have to go, you know, so him have to go live in Canada now. So that's it. Canada, I think there. So
with that, like, even when I came back, the first thing immigration was asking me, they were like even helping me out in a sense, because the whole process of this is completely new to me. I don't know how it would work out. So they were asking me different questions, and based on the answers I was giving the immigration guy, he was like, he has a U.S. visa. He's like, he can get through in probably 6 months, no problem. Because the U.S. side is one of the hardest kind of countries to get into. Like, Canada's soft compared to the U.S. But like, if he's been to the U.S., he has good standing over there, it's going to take you no time to get him here.
Okay. A question. When you guys get married again? One viewers them know again. When again? When did they share the story about when? I try to get a timeline.
December 18th.
Oh, December. Oh, yeah. Me did come to Canada already and come back. December 18th. You sure?
Yeah, I got married December 18th.
No, on married December 18th. But when you share a story, I think you share a story earlier than that, man.
Yeah, man. It was before that.
Yeah. I think maybe.
I think that was August.
No, I doubt if August, and I would have been more like November or September. One of them months.
Yeah, if not August or September, but
yeah,
so
man.
I'm on one of those then.
Yeah, man, she shared the story.
It would be like a late August or early September.
Right, yeah. And she did say it, man. Because when she said she was going to get married, people was like, Lord God, my girl, you sure this right? What you do? You maybe be a... Because I never want to go in the comments, because I even said to her, so listen, if you go in my comment box, you're going to see a lot of bashing. I tell you. So, me want the people them know say, yeah, we go over the first hurdles and I eat this, you know, life changes and young couple, me only thing I can do a prayer for you. Only thing I can do a prayer for you, I wish you the best. You know, I not wish no negativity over anything. I want the next 2 years, God spare life, me there, I can call her and call her and say, hey, you know that way, way. Me no want hear no this happen and way my friend get, my general get put out in a snow and all of them something there. Bag a pack up in a black rubbish bag and all of them something there, you know what I mean? You see me?
No, man, if me out in a snow, I must look at snow work, you know? I shovel snow or something.
You say, look at snow work. Yeah, man, come cover a story already, you know. Cover a story already with a guy married a woman over there. I don't know what go and sell. Two sides to a story, me G. So I'm not going to tell lie on the woman. But all I know say she put him out in the snow. And he say, he can't believe he come a friend for this and all of them something. So wifey, now put out Thursday. If you do something bad, just try work it out and you don't know. Married.
You want his mother-in-law will come and beat me up, okay? My mom, my gosh, like, cause in the beginning, my mom was so skeptical, whatever, and she was just like, I don't know, like, but when she started to like talk to him and converse with him, like, the lady loved the man more than me.
Right, it's about knowing somebody. So, my general, me say you're an artist, right? Say if me can, what do you name? You have one page, you have a Vivo page or on TikTok page or something?
Signum Vivo.
What name?
Signum Vivo. SIGNUMM.
Okay, Signum Vivo.
If you go beyond the end, you won't go stand me legs, me knees a tremble, but me keep my calm, my friend, because in time this all will let. Voices in my head, you're talking to me, and they tell me things that no one else can hear. I hear voices in my head.
Okay, so how much videos you have on the platform?
I think currently it's about 4, but we have a few projects working on currently.
Okay. Where do sing J or DJ?
No, it's a mixture, no.
Oh, you do vice versa. Similar like my father them thing, like you can DJ and you can sing and you do the mixture, something like that?
Well, more to say that my father still, you know, more like Signum, you know, cause
Okay.
like my father, it could be like a second. But that first Signum still.
The first Signum. Okay, so this is just Signum style, your style, authentic, your thing. Will come natural.
Yeah.
Okay, so anybody want to compare, it can compare, but this is your way. This is your style.
Yeah, because I really don't even listen to music, to be honest, you know, so I wouldn't even know a lot of artists sound like, unless somebody around me play a song. I not even know most artists, so they might play them name or anything, you know. I don't listen to music over. Try to be as creative as possible so nobody can say, yo, Signum D said this, that, them man song, you know.
Okay. All right, sounds good and it sounds like a plan. Well, we wishing you the best. Me make my viewers them know what go on. I make them know say, hey, the marriage did went through, no obstacle, and it's just for us to reach in Canada, and we have to just wish them the best. Cause the ratio with the negative to good story, trust me, the ratio, the negative one them outdo the positive story. You know, cause when she linked me, she said she have a good story for share. You know what I mean? So it was a breath of fresh air. Yeah, man, it was a breath of fresh air. So that's how you go. But anyway, big up on yourself. Thank you very much. And wifey, all the best, Anna.
Thank you. And Damien, let me tell you, say, wedding food, the people that can't stop talking about wedding food.
I know you not send me no picture of your wicked day. Send one picture of your wedding man when you not kiss her or something.
I will.
Yeah, man. All right, you take care and big up and thanks, yeah?
You're welcome.
Yeah, man. All right, cool. Yeah. Yes, guys, so that are the couple where did come, that are the lady where did come on a couple months ago and say she find a lover for her life in Jamaica and she's gonna marry him. I remember the negative comments, people and say, yo, where are the girl, you mad? Let's hear about this. So I could wish them the best, no? I could wish them the best. Because we always hear these stories and something. I could wish them the best. Hopefully by now in January next year, me I keep a tab on this relationship and whether it a going good or bad, more one year. Because you know over here it start from. So that's how you go. So remember if you check out the general page, upcoming artist, Signum, Vivo. So let us type it in on YouTube. And when you see him pop up. You see me? So that a go on pan what a go on. Alright guys, so we are getting our next story now. And remember to like up the video and listen update with other stories. Alright? Kinda busy this week, but me I try push in as much as I can. Because I don't know me not give up on me have to put in the work though. Yeah. Alright? So I'm gonna continue listen.
Yes, I'm not trying to put a story out there. I'm just send this little voice note sharing my thing with you because I listen to people sharing things all the time and some of them is heartrending, some of them is so overbearing, some of them is so disgusting because of certain type of human beings that people have to deal with. But I have a husband we have to deal with too. I came here 2016. I meet this man like 2 weeks or a week after. And him tell me say I'm married and we meet up in a party and we just I don't know. It's not me, but that time oh God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That time is something about this man that talking to him is just draw me to him as if I known him forever. That one night we could become friends, social friends. Same living, him married. When me find out later, say him not married, him live with him baby mother. They part, and obviously after him part, now I was talking to this guy, and this is a Jamaican guy I was talking to. This was a nightmare. When I say a nightmare, it was a nightmare. I just come to America, hustling, sending back a little out of what I'm making to my kids, and this man take me up. Well, encourage me to give up the little one when me have and come stay with him. And then start treat me like shit. And I had to get out of there. But luckily I'm a hustler. I wash pot, clean down kitchen and wash up pots and pans after people done work in a restaurant. After me get a little job in a one little health food store, run all of that, you know. And that lady was kind of sick in her head. So you know how that go. Me I deal with she and then me I play. But long story short, this man and him baby mother break up and him decide say we are gonna have a relationship. I was saying to this, I was working at this restaurant and the girl there was a Jamaican, two Jamaicans, and she said to me, say, can I make your boss help you? And I did I get into that. But it was like I wasn't feeling comfortable, so I scrap it. She said, why you not make the man we always talk about where you talk to help you like how I'm not married? And I think I was saying shucks. I wasn't thinking about that. But I asked him and he said yes, he'll do. And enough we put things together. Before we put things together, him get up out of the blues and him just cut in a COVID. Like a year and a half, me book him up. After that, and him come to me literally in a party and him want to hug upon me or whatever. So what is going on here? What do you want from me? Him say, oh, him want like a sex and whatever. So I say, Bridget, listen, me not have no paper in America, you know. And if you willing to help me, that's what it is. But me not jump up and sleep with Dick, Tom and Harry. If you're going to help me, that's fine. Or you leave me alone, let me find somebody who able to help me. Straight and plain. Him said to me, say, all right, I promise to help you, and I'm gonna help you. I don't want nothing from you, nothing at all. No sex, no money, as you know, people pay them way too. I said, okay, no problem. Long story short, in 2 months the wedding go through. As him say no want nothing from me, and we fi keep things on the down low, as in like him no want nobody know say me and him married, but you invite 5 of my friend them and your best friend, and we did it in a church. Right? We did it in a church. 6 of my friend them and your best friend, and we did it in a church, and your mother know about it. But anyway, the same night after the wedding, me go to one party. We never did go there today. That him and the year-to-year party we keep, we always go. And me left my house and go there, and him left me and go there. But we go there, we meet up. And him tell about 4 person I party with. Say we and me and him married. Anyway, before that, me said to him, say, since you don't want anything from me, and you're just helping me, so is it okay for me to be in any form of relationship with anybody? Him say, yes, me can do it, but keep it under the wrap. Anyway, going forward, me realize we go out and him start hug up on me all over. So, as usual, but now he's telling people, oh, she's my wife, whatever. Because one night I remember at this party and there was these 2 female. I have no clue who they be. But him come and him said to the lady, say, oh, see my wife here. And she looking at me, she looking at him like something strange. So then him just start kiss me in front of them and say, see there, would a man kiss a woman like this if I know his wife? But anyway, long story short, I appreciate the fact that he helped me putting up his documents, because financial wise he did not spend a dollar. All the money spent was out of my own pocket, and I literally have to beg him for stand affidavits of support too for my son, which I do have to pay everything for my son too. In father would have did help, but through me day over here, me just send whatever me could have send and make sure everything do. Most of everything was paid online by me here. My son is now here, thank God, and him gone in the army. He's in training right now in Missouri. So with all said and done, I am grateful, but this is not a relationship, because we don't live together. And this man is very disrespectful, and he will just get up and talk disrespect me for no reason. Me used to go at the house, and I still do have a key for his house. And if me turn up there without calling him is a problem, and you give me a key. So I don't do it. I don't even go there no more. I went there a couple months ago, and because he did an operation, and I went there a couple of days and jump around with him in the house, make sure say I'm alright, make some meal for him and stuff until he gets better. Well, not really get better, but he was able to maneuver himself, you know. And I will always be grateful, and I always be appreciative, but I'm not gonna stay unhappy because of this man. And he know that, because we had a conversation the other day, and he asked me if I wanted a divorce this year. I said, what, whenever you're ready. But I still working on getting my 10-year green card. So I'm just here. I go to work, I come back, I stay in the house. No one again. When I get tired of the house, I go hang out at some party or some little function with 2 friends that I have. I don't really have a lot of friends. I don't try to have a lot of female friends because I can't get the problem. But everybody has a story. And there are good men out here and there are good females. But those are the ones who always take up the bullshitters, who really looking for something from the other person, not looking for a relationship. You understand? Because a man try to trick me already too. Tell me, oh God, the man say, Lord Jesus. I was like trying talking to him based on what's going on with me, and me explain everything to him and my situation, and we were talking for like 3 months, and the man tell me, oh Jesus, me I talk to God and me I tell us say God good come there. Me say me no want a relationship. And God send this a woman in my life. God, what you do? Them me never know say woman they out they still nice so. And him tell him mother and him why why him cannot hurt a woman like me because he never know say woman they nice so. You're such a humble person, blah blah blah. The world works. I didn't know nobody. Nobody just get up and disappear. The other day reappear and him start tell me, oh, we need to talk. I need to take you out because I still don't forget you. I think about it. They come on, dude. You don't want nobody. Leave me alone. There's so much, yo. But as I said, I know I'm gonna try and find somebody who willing to have a relationship and conscious about what they want. But I'm not rushing it either. You understand? I'm not rushing it. I'm living in New York and it's expensive over here and all of that. I have my little job going. I want to do better for myself, but I'm taking my time, you know. But we talk and I continue listening and you're doing a very good job. Nobody watch the criticism. Because me cool criticize the bad criticism. They ain't criticize you. Because there are people always are going to be people. Just take the criticism and move on. Continue do what you're doing. You're doing a good job. You're putting out some story out there for people understand. Say you're not in this alone. There are people out there having the same history. They can't even talk about it, but you getting other people talking about their story and sharing them story and other people listen to it. It make you feel different. It make you feel like say you're alive and you're not alone. Some of them is heart-rending, but trust me, it is good. Your program is something that was needed for what it is doing. And it might even people might not reach out to you with a story, but it helps some people to open them eyes and see what's going on around them and help them to move on and step away from bad relationships. Because trust me, people not normal. And I tell you this, I'm a Jamaican and I love me Jamaican them, you know. I love the Jamaican man them, me I tell you. But me I tell you, sometimes some of them are the worst. One of them tell me, the one who beg me for moving, me tell me say, he might call immigration for me because I have no right in America that when me never have no papers. And he was spitting on my face and oh Jesus. But true, he realized that me wasn't an easy walk over and him can't manage me. He couldn't manage me. Him try to fight me and him realized that he can't win. So we part and today it was in 2018 and I'm so very, very, very happy about this. Trust me. We talk now, but hey, him trying to say like he would have want, hell no, come back here. Am I crazy? My brother, continue the good work and I always put in a word of prayer for you and hopefully things get better for me. While you're doing your program, you can contribute something towards your program because it's a job. I look at it as a job that you're doing and continue to do what you do. And bless up to you and your family. Bless up to you and your family because sometimes we female not easy and you have your, I guess you might have your family or your young lady or your whatever and you can able to do all of this and manage your household at the same time. Continue doing what you're doing. Love you as a person, doing a good job. I take it easy and we'll talk if needs be.
One lady called me today and said, hey, MIXUP boss, you're doing a wonderful job. I never know what I get to when I call you. Oh my God, you're the best. And your stories are eye-opener. It put us on our God, mix up, boss. This is one of a kind. Let me tell you this, guys. When the channel start off, it not start off the way, you know? I mean, always I say, God, me need to find an algorithm where the channel I can just steady. We put up all type of news outlets, stories, this, all sort. You know, my stories are trend. Sometimes I wish I could have just jump on him and say, yeah, man, no. Hold your own. Don't watch your views. Watch your message where you send. Views are going to go up and views are going to go down. I saw YouTube things there, I'm going to hold it. But for now, say it has reached so many people. It has changed people's life. It has touched people's life. Yo, I'm going to continue to pray for me and pray for your channel. And to God be the glory. Put this in a comment. Great things he has done. Big up on yourself. I appreciate everyone of you. Thanks for the support. May I come live. I'm gone.
That tape?
That
God's
tape.
on a real.
That is it.
And I represent for Tafari.
That is it.
I remember the man and my friend, Pari. Anytime you want the latest vehicle from ATL, he's the plug.
That is it.
Always remember that. Early morning, as coffee, he's the mug. Make sure you link him. I'm the thug. What is son of the nose? I'm out.